Hey guys, welcome back to Sophia's channel. She's not gonna be here because she's over there standing out of the camera. You can't see her, so
Hey! Hey guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching. And today I have a special guest with me.
Hi, I'm Ava.
This is my awesome cool sister, and she's gonna be doing a video with me today. I don't know why I'm clapping. I'm just We're gonna be doing a summer outfit haul for you guys. And also, if we look to the side, it's just because, you know, we're grabbing the clothes to show you. Yes. So, let's get into the video.
Woo!
The place we went is Target.
Woo-hoo!
And the first thing I got, actually, I got this a couple days before we went shopping. So, I actually just wore this in my last vlog.
Yes, you did.
And it says, I love you in French, and I love this shirt. It's such a pretty orange. And then I also got this really pretty royal blue bikini set. So here's like the bottoms. They have such cool like detail. And then the top is also the same kind of fabric. And then it has a really cool strap design in the back. Kind of hard to see right here, but it's really pretty. Ava!
I got a bikini. So let me find it. 1 second. So I got this super cute striped bikini.
I love this one.
Has the cutest detail in
Guys,
the back.
look at that detail. It has like gold little rings.
And then you tie it in a bow. Here's the bottoms.
They're
and then
so
they have,
cute.
There's the
a cool little rip detail in them. And it looks so cute on her.
Okay, and then I got this hat.
Oh, I love this hat.
Got this shirt. It says feeling free. And then I got this peplum top.
So pretty because it's like, oh, I love it. Next store we went to is American Eagle. I love American Eagle. The first thing I got is this really pretty green. It's so cool because it has like this whole like metal details. And then the next thing I got is actually another bathing suit top
From Heyyy.
I love Heyyy. This top is really cool, like little ruffles, and then it like crosses in the front. Yeah, it like crosses in the front, and then you like tie it like in the back.
I got the same top as her, but in purple. I got this backpack from Target a while ago, but I got this cute accessory tassels from American Eagle that are super cute.
The next place we went to is Marshall's, and I got these awesome Adidas shorts. And then inside actually has like this cool pocket, so like when I'm working out, because me and Ava are actually at the gym like every day with my mom.
Yeah.
And like there's a pocket so I can put my key from my locker in there, and it like adjusts in the waist, which is amazing. And then also got this really cool Adidas shirt.
It's like a tank top, as you can see.
Yeah, it's like a muscle tee kind of, but it's a really pretty red.
I got the cutest shirt from Under Armour at Marshall's. Super cute detail in the front, and then it's got an open back. And then I got this tank top from Under Armour. It says, not average, awesome, because I am, okay? And then I got
the
cutest
these
leggings ever.
Do you see how like metallic they
They're
are?
mesh at the bottom.
If you're going to Marshall's for leggings there, find 90 degree, because literally they don't show your underwear when you bend down. The next thing we did is we went to H&M. H&M is so much fun. The first thing I got, this Pepsi t-shirt, and I love it. It's so comfortable. There's a little logo in the back. And then the next thing I got, this shirt is a plain basic t-shirt that you can wear with anything. Super soft. They're both actually like the same. This one in red. I got this shirt from H&M too.
Oh. So I got this. It looks really crazy on camera, but it's just like this super polka dot,
cute polka dot
shirt. Love this one so much. I love embroidery stuff. So I got this super cute t-shirt with the little cactuses and embroidery details. So stinking cute. Okay, my mom picked these out for me, and I'm obsessed. They're so stinking cute. I got another t-shirt. I like t-shirts. A pink.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, give it a big old thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe and join the fam. And if you did join the fam in this video, comment down below, #join the fam, and also
oh my gosh.
Alright.
Okay.
I hope you guys loved the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, recording.